All right, lay on your side. Get you all flexible. You ready? And turn on your back.
Okay. Okay, oh. Так. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, it feels good, honestly.
Deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Nice. He's young, so he moves really easily. Deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Good. Got a side for me. Good. Deep breath in. Nice. Man. Woo! Let's go face up.
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
One more. Oh, yeah. Good.
Yeah, I could bring my nunchucks in here and just all y'all. And some of the comments y'all making on there, you're gonna get the nunchucks. There you go. Very nice. They love those. Watch what he says at the end of his video. Cause he thought it all looked the same too until I adjusted him.
I thought it was baby hair.
There we go. Boy, that's moving better too. Yep. There, excellent. Got one more there too.
We're gonna get some movement here in the neck, okay? Relax here for me. Very good, okay? Relax right here for me. Excellent. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. We're gonna get some movement right through here first, okay? Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent. Relax right here for me. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay, we're gonna get some movement down here. Tender here. Good. 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 All right. Right there.
Beautiful. This one feels like it's the joint. And he's fighting even more on this side because he's scared. That's okay. Just let it go here. Okay, let it go. Good. You okay?
Yeah. So I would expect that Isaiah's going to have good movement right in here. Okay, relax right in here for me. Very good. Excellent work. How'd that feel for you, buddy?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Was that your first adjustment?
Mm-hmm.
Relax here. Very good. All right, let me have you lay face down right here for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good movement. Completely exhale. Very good.
Let's have a deep breath in. Oh yeah. I know that was a home run.
That was it.
Yes, sir. See? There we go. That's it. Oh yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. There. Excellent. Good.
All right, buddy. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Let's go face up. As we adjust him, his ears turn red. Get that blood up there.
То есть мы устанавливаем руки, создаем преднапряжение и делаем манипуляцию.
Let me ask you. Let it all out. Oh yeah. Home run. Good deal. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one. Tilt left a little bit. Okay. Okay, now just exhale. Oh yeah. Good. And just keep breathing, my friend. Good job.
I'll be able to just pick it up onto the disc a little bit.
Alright.
Keep breathing. Because each of your out breaths, I'm going to just push down a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
Take your hamstring muscles off a little bit. Let them back off. That's good. That's good. Beautiful.
Cái mình là cái sọ. Vai, 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 vai.
All the way out. Good, good. Perfect.
Take a deep breath through your nose. Oh yeah. Baby Dale. I know you felt that one all the way down. Good. Let me have you. Perfect. And just keep breathing normal. Yep. Just let your arms hang down. There you go. Okay. And just keep breathing normal. There it is. I knew we had one more in there.
All the way out. Let it go. Good. Again, big breath in. All the way out, please. Let it go. Good. Right up here. Good. How's that?
Wonderful.
Drop your shoulders down. Good. And again. Good.
Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. You alright? Alright, we got some movement in there. Okay, this side's gonna be a little bit more difficult to adjust here. Relax right here for me. I know you're a little nervous. New hands, new doctor. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay face down right here for me.
Sure.